Hello student, I am Veena Dikshit. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. All the best. God bless you. Here we discuss about chemical bonding. Very important questions we are dealing with. At least 100 questions I will discuss and you will get 1 or 2 questions definitely in the competitive exam. So be with me. Total 7 type of hybridization is there. Here we discuss only 4. sp, sp2, sp3 and dsp2. 4 hybridization. Okay, hybrid orbitals and its structure including oxocation, anion, complex ion. Okay, now we will see here hybridization and spatial arrangement. Example, sp hybridization, central atom around it there are 2 other atoms, so it will form linear shape. Bond angle will be 180 degree. And example, see here, I write down every example. BeCl2, HgCl2, this is transition element. C2H2, and this is organic compound. N2O and AgCN whole twice, and within this is complex ion having negative charge, dicyanoargentate. So this is also linear. HgCl2 linear, BeCl2 linear, N2O linear. In different type of question they are asking question. That is why I am giving you a complete idea. Now we will go for sp2. This is planar triangular structure, that is also called trigonal planar. See, and there is central atom and 120 degree 3 atoms are around it. mx, mx, mx I have written. Example, BF3. PCl3 is correct or wrong? Let me know. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Why it is so, I will explain you. So in a hurry I have written PCl3. PCl3 is not in this category because PCl3 going to sp3 hybridization. Okay, because here 5 valence electrons are there, 3 bonding pairs and 1 lone pair will be there. So it is having trigonal pyramidal geometry. Hybridization is sp3. So electron geometry is tetrahedral but shape will be trigonal pyramidal. Okay, due to lone pair of electron. So it will not fall in sp2 hybridization since PCl3 is sp3 hybridized. So what was missing? It should be BCl3. BCl3 is correct. Trigonal planar and 120 degree angle. SO3 correct. Carbonate ion correct. Nitrate ion correct. NO3 1 negative. Now sp3 tetrahedral geometry 109 degree 28 minutes or 109.5. Example, CH4, CCl4, SiF4, group 14, NH4 1 positive, BF4 1 negative, SO4 2 negative and MnO4. These are oxocation. Okay, this is sulfate ion, this is oxo anion of sulfur, this is oxo anion of Mn. And DsP2 is square planar 90 degree angle. Example, write down copper 4 times ammonia, Pt 4 times Cl and NiCN whole 4. 2 negative charge, 2 negative charge, 2 positive charge.